Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Plug your Android phone into the car using a USB cable labeled USB 2, 0, or USB-C. Unlock the phone and accept Android Auto permissions when prompted. Open the Android Auto app on the car display and allow required access to location and notifications. Locate the Waze icon on the Android Auto home screen visible in the dash. If Waze is not visible, ensure the phone has Waze installed and update the app from the Play Store. Restart the car system. If the app still does not, tap the Waze icon on the Android Auto home screen to launch navigation. Use the on-screen search box to type an address or choose a recent destination from the list. Speak your destination using the steering wheel voice button for hands-free entry. Review suggested routes by swiping through each option and check estimated time and distance. Choose a route and tap Go to begin turn by turn directions and voice guidance. Adjust route preferences in the Waze settings menu if you prefer tolls or highways. While navigating, report hazards, traffic, and police using the orange report button to update other drivers. If Waze suggests a faster route, accept the prompt to reroute automatically and save time. Use the audio icon to adjust voice volume or temporarily mute guidance while driving. Keep notifications limited by enabling Do Not Disturb modes in Android Auto settings. To end navigation, tap Stop on the map and close Waze on the car screen. Safely disconnect the USB cable from your phone when parked and exit Android Auto.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.